Friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Let's make something different for today's recipe. Let's make egg rice cake recipe. Hope you like it. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Rice, eggs and mixed beans. LuncheonMeat. Cubes LuncheonMeat. Mix all ingredients. Pour ingredients and fried until solidified. Cut into small pieces and flip rice cake. Drizzle soy sauce at side of wok. Fry for a minute. Let's eat. This overnight rice recipe is easy and delicious. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I upload new recipe daily for free. See you tomorrow, yeah.